you how to make bubblegum slime. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so the materials you'll need are Elmer's glue, Model Magic. This is optional, it's just to give the slime a thicker texture. A cup, a bowl and a spoon, baking soda, eye contact lens solution, and these are to make the activator, and you can use borax solution. So this recipe is with eye contact lens solution, so you can do any activator you use. You'll need paint, this is optional, and a half a teaspoon. Okay, so I have a half a cup of glue, and I'm just gonna put it in the big bowl. And I'm using a spatula so that I can get all the glue out. Okay, that should be good. Now get your paint. I just got this at Walmart, and just pour some in. Okay, now get 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And dump it in. And now stir that up. Okay, time for the eye contact lens solution. You can just get this at Walmart. So we're gonna add it slowly and let the slime form. So we're gonna add a little bit, and now we're gonna stir it so it has that slime texture. So basically when it stops, or when it starts like coming off the sides of the bowl. Oh yay, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is like my favorite color of all time. Stretchy! Whoa. Okay, I think I just need a little more, and this is Emma's slime. There's like a huge bubble. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Okay, it's starting to come off the sides of the bowl, so that means it's almost ready. It's still pretty sticky, not that sticky, but I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, I think this is good. I'm just going to take it out on the table and play with it. Oh my goodness, my voice sounded so scratchy. I'll probably need to add a little more because it's still quite sticky, as you can see. But I love this slime, it's so pretty. Okay, so I just dumped it out, and I haven't added any more yet, but I'm just going to play with it for a little bit and see if it gets less sticky. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Ah, this is so sticky. Okay, we definitely need more eye contact lens solution. Just a little more. Time to add some more. Oh. Okay. Now mix that in. Oh, this is turning out so good. Okay, get that off the table. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. So I'm just going to work with it and maybe add some more until it's slime. Okay, so here it is, and it turned out so pretty, and I love the slime. So now we're going to add the Model Magic. And as I said before, this is optional. You don't have to add it. It's just to give the slime a thicker texture. Ooh. And this is kind of like slime by itself, just really thick slime. Okay, so here it is, and look, it matches my fingernail polish. It's actually kind of stretchy. Oh, hold up. Ta-da! And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye! It's really... Prison, stop making noise! And, half a tablespoon. Teaspoon. Wait. Okay, now get... slime and... Cousin Hope.